Yes, in behalf of the Provincial Government of the United Islands and Philippine Benevolent Missionaries Association, of course their family, we wish you a healthy, beautiful, loving, caring life as ever, forever. Happy birthday, Mom, and we love you very, very much.
From Honorable Mayor Alan Tupi Mayor.
Let me, in behalf of the local government unit of San Jose and my family here, my wife, my kids, David, wife, Ashley, and baby Ray, and it is May, happy birthday, we love you so much. Alam mo naman yan, dito lang kami palagi para sa thank you.
Uncertainties.
In behalf of the local government of Dinagat and Glen, we wish you a happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. And we wish you happiness and long life. And thank you for everything, for accepting our family and loving us so much. Happy birthday, Mommy Glen.
From the grandchildren, our Sir Pinchi.
Happy birthday, and may you have many more birthdays to come, long life, and stay beautiful as you are always. Always beautiful. Walang kupas na lang yan. I love you very much on behalf of my family and my brothers. Happy birthday.
From Sir Julius.
In behalf of my friends and family likewise, yes, we would like to express our thanks and gratitude for all the work that you have done for the Dinagat Islands and for the people of Dinagat Islands and Dinagat, and for all the work that you will still do for all of us here. Thank you very much. We love you very much. Happy birthday, Mama Glen.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Stay beautiful as always, and may you have many more birthdays to come. And happy Mother's Day.
From Queen Walker.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I love you, and you look so beautiful. And happy Mother's Day.
From Princess Raven. Ruby. Princess Ruby.
Happy birthday, Grandma. Stay gorgeous, pretty, everything. You're perfect for me. And advance happy Mother's Day.
From the little princesses. From Shana.
Happy birthday, Mama.
And we have here Sir Michael.
My colleagues sa capital, office mate, and from my staff, from my family, and from Engineer Saracen. Happy birthday. And more birthdays to come. Stay beautiful as you are. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mama Glen. You look so wonderful tonight. Wishing you good health always, long life, stay beautiful as you are. Happy birthday again.
Bawa naman yung baby.
Mami, happy birthday. Alam mo yun. You're not just a mother of 1, 2, or 8 children, but you're the mother of all PBMA members and all Pinagalians. You're our inspiration, Mommy. And ngayon, na birthday mo,
wala kami material na ibibigay sa iyo, Mami, na regalo. But I can assure you that may bibigay namin sa iyo ng tapat na pagmamahal namin sa iyo at ang aming loyalty 100% Mami sa iyo lang.
And we have here little kids, grandchildren of Mami Glenn.
That was for my babies, Mama.
And from relatives, from Sir Terence, the partner of Mom Gwen.
Mama Glenn, I just want to say happy birthday, and may you have many more birthdays after this, and God bless you.
From Jespool Ticleo, our barangay captain.
Mama Glenn, happy birthday. We have the legal mga barangay of Binagan Island chapters. Wish ko para sa Mami, bigyan ka ng marami pang birthday. Good health, long life, and more productive years in your life, Mami. We love you, Mami.
And from Sir Jean
Mami, happy birthday. And in behalf of the members of this special missionary, I would like to say happy birthday and wish you all the best. We love you, Mami.
We love you so much. Happy birthday and have a long life. Stay beautiful.
and from the pillars of the PBMA to be represented by
I never ever bring your tears. Tomorrow starts a new year. Baby, sila. Say I love you. Happy birthday. We are for you. It's a promise to be true.
Gisugdan ko ang akong land for the landless. Daghang wala pa ka sabot ng tumatong gimo. Akong igasto ang akong sweldo para lang na akong mahimo what was in my mind. Kung siya akong unang muhakon. People, God gave me people who can help me. But, ang financial, ikuha sa ako ang gasto, gikan sa akong sweldo sa pagka-board member. Hangtod how many years? Nahimo ko nga congressman because Divine Masters push me hard to be there with politics. Remantod ka niya. Mami ayaw pagtuko na naimatabang na ito. Wala. Ang magpatabang dahil. Be there if you want to help me in my mission. Yan ispital na siya nagkapinahanglan o timbang. Paano po makuha na ito ang atong panapit, akwarta, fondo na atong tabang pag-develop sa atong lugar, labaw na ang panginabuhi sa mga tauhan. So, sa madaling pagkasulti, nagsiki kong dambo, I was associated with politicians, dream about them, na si Divine Master. I was the only politician who was able to reach Mount Makiling during that time. I don't know now. According to them, the President, Joseph Estrada, tried to go out to the top, but the security did not permit him to go because of security reasons. But because of my dream, asking me to visit Mount Makiling, Master was there, Divine Master. I went there. It was hidden out. Mga mahadlo ka din. Pero nanong mga kaigsuunan ko, pag-abot ko na nindog man sila. Because I was there, a mission. Commission gawin by God. To know all walks of life. How I can live. Ang akong amigo na ko dito ang kanilang mga kanilang kanina ang Supremo. Ako pag ginanlag Supremo ang ginda ko dito. Akong ginpurit when I was asked to deliver a message. So mga kaigsuunan ko, katong mga katuigan ng labay, no? Ang naakos meaning to dito, so kaya may escort na ako sila kayo bukid. Iatubin ako. Natubin. Panahaw pala. So, ang mga pala dito, pare, mga babae. Ang galit ako, dito silang babae. Isa, ma'am, kung di pa ako na, isuroy ka na mo. Ako na, pero okay lang. Anan, kaning atong lugar na kaigsuunan ko, na libog ako. Other people are making this place na muna tao, war zone. Why don't we love people, our leader, who leads people while God-fearing, peace-loving. Ano? Unsang klase? Pero, Lord is there to help us ease all these things. Tao kita. Nagpilhan sa lago sa kita o justisya. Pero very optimistic na kaming tanang na soldado. Through our prayer, that is the best nuclear weapon we can have to fight against our enemies. The legal battle that I have been through was so tough for me. Ang probinsya walay kwarta. I used my own personal funds just to save the future of Dinagat for the people of Dinagat. Lalo na ang mga kabataan. Ibagan pa rin Dr. Rizal, you the youth are the hope of our fatherland. So, murag magdugo ang akong kasing-kasing ng mga bata itugtuan sa dili na maayong dalan sa kinabuhi. Na dili may kautuyuan sa PBB.